I'm not writing. This is just where I keep all my money in secret. Look, there is a lot of money in here. You can hear the sound, and you can open it up from here. But the best part is, it's all disguised. And it's your very own piggy bank. Well, I should say pencil bank. Hello, everybody! My name is Akki, and welcome to Akki Dream. Today we're going to be making a pencil piggy bank. A pencil bank, where you can store all your money. As Akki dreams, come make arts with Akki dreams. Dream it, make it, and you can have it. Akki dreams, come make arts with Akki dreams. Come make arts with Akki dreams. For this, we need cardboard cylindrical box or Pringle box, cereal box, construction papers, Sharpie, foil paper, glue, glue gun, glue sticks, paint and paintbrush, scale, pencil and eraser, scissor, and a knife. Now we're going to make a slit on the Pringle box right here so we can put our money in. Now cut out a piece of a cereal box, like this one, and make sure it wraps around your Pringles or your cylindrical bottle, and if there's extra, you can cut it off later. See? Now, take your scale and make one scale with, like this, and then make it all throughout. Now, fold it on the lines like this. This is how it looks after folding. See? I folded the printed side inside and the non-printed side outside. Wrap again on the Pringle box or your cylindrical box and then cut off the extra. Look how perfectly it fits. See this bottom part? We need another strip, glue it to the bottom for the eraser. Now, take the strip of another cereal box, see? And you have to wrap it around of the Pringles or your cylindrical box. Just right, see? Now cut the extra. For the top portion of the pencil, we need to cut out a circle from the cereal box, and then we need to take the scissors and approximately cut to the middle. After cutting, we need to turn it into a cone, and then we need to take the lid of the Pringles or your cylindrical bottle, and then we need to measure it. And it should cover the lid, like this. Cut the extra, glue the cone using the glue gun. Now we're gonna paint all these parts, and you can paint it however you want. Use whatever color you want. And after I paint it, I'll show you. Now we're gonna make the lead of the pencil. See? For that, we need to take black construction paper and we need to make a circle. For that, I'll be using the Pringles lid. It will go perfect. And then we need to cut it out. With the circle, make a cone how we did it with the top. Now we're going to be making the metal portion of the pencil that separates the eraser and the pencil. For this, I'll be using foil paper. Make a strip of foil paper like this. It should be approximately 1.5 centimeters in width. Now we're going to be doing some detailing on the metal. So in the middle, we're going to take our ruler and draw some lines. And on the bottom and the top, we're going to put some dots using the pencil. Now let's make eyes for our pencil. Now, on the top portion, let's attach the lead. And let's do some detailing. It's time to assemble. Now we're gonna stick it to the bottle using a glue gun. Let's glue the rubber part. Remember, the rubber part should be tucked in a little to the pencil. Open the lid and then feel where the slit is. And then try to draw it on the top. And then cut it out. We're gonna attach the metal to the pencil with hot glue. Let's stick the eyes and the top. Finally, our pencil is ready. Huh? What'd you say? Oh, he's really, really hungry. Maybe I should feed him. Here you go. Munch away. I bet you're having the best time of your life. Are you full? Okay, I guess we can save that for later. I bet you're having the best time of your life. Belly full. Nice. You can make pencil banks like these two, or you can make pencil crayon banks like these two, where you can store all your money. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye. What?